Hey there, welcome back to our YouTube channel. We're so excited to have you here. Today, we're going to be talking about Dell Latitude 94402-in-1, 2023. But before we get started, we want to give a quick shout out to all of our amazing subscribers. We wouldn't be here without you, and we're so grateful for your support. If you're new to our channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on any of our new videos. We've done a lot of research on this topic, and we're excited to share our findings with you. So without further ado, let's get started. Dell is designed to impress. Impressed with Dell's first haptic collaboration touchpad. We will have more room for incredibly accurate and smooth navigation with the touchpad. Dell's first commercial PC with a zero-lattice keyboard featuring wide and deep keys for efficient and comfortable typing. Battery-saving mini LED backlit technology reduces the keyboard's power usage by up to 75% and extends battery life by up to 3 hours on Latitude 9442-in-1. The Dell's smallest 14 inches commercial PC, ideal for anyone needing high-end mobile performance. Display. Dell Latitude 94402 has 2-in-1 14-inch QHD, IPS touch, anti-smudge, anti-reflective, FHD/IR cam, Comfort View Plus, with pen support display. CPU, 13th Gen Intel Core i7 processor V Pro processor label. Graphics, Intel Iris X graphics. Memory, up to 64 GB. Storage, up to 2 TB, M2, PCIe NVMe, SSD, class 35. Power, 60 WAC ultralight mini adapter, USB Type-C. Power cord, E5 power cord 1M for India. Battery, 60-watt battery, with express charge, 3-cell. Connectivity, Intel Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.3 wireless driver, optional WWAN. Mobile broadband, 5G Intel 5000 Global 5G eSIM, optional. Weight, 1.53 kilograms, 3.38 pounds. Camera, 1080 at 30 fps, FHD IR camera with express sign-in plus intelligent privacy, TNR, safe shutter, mic, dual array microphones. Windows Hello, IR camera, fingerprint reader. Audio, stereo speaker with Realtek and Waves Max Audio Pro, 12-watt, with subwoofer output. Chassis, low carbon, 75% recycled aluminium in the chassis. Ports, 3 Thunderbolt 4 port with USB 4 power delivery, 1 universal audio port, 1 wedge-shaped lock slot, 1 nano SIM slot, WWAN only. Meticulously crafted using a high-precision CNC machining process. A stunning graphite color and seamless, diamond-cut edges complete the elegant look. Dell's first PC made with low-carbon, 75% recycled aluminum in the chassis. Designed to offer the industry's best collaboration and connectivity so we can work anywhere with ease. Wi-Fi 6E and optional 5G make sure we are always connected at the industry's fastest speeds. Bluetooth allows us to connect to your favorite peripherals without dongles. Express Connect joins the best available network, prioritizes conferencing apps, and delivers faster data and video downloads with the Dell's first simultaneous multi-network connection. Work our way with a 2-in-1 form factor featuring laptop, tent, stand, or tablet mode. Express Sign-In detects your presence to wake our system and locks our PC when we walk away. Intelligent privacy features from Dell Optimizer help keep sensitive data private. Onlooker detection texturizes our screen when prying eyes are detected, while Look Away Detect recognizes when our focus is elsewhere and dims to further protect privacy and save battery life. Automatic Safe Shutter knows when to open and close our camera for added privacy, or we can take control of our mic, F4, and camera, F9, with keyboard keys. Advanced thermals with new dual fans allow the latest 13th Gen Intel Core processors to maximize their power. New Intel V Pro and Intel Evo design capabilities are built for what IT needs with built-in security, manageability, and stability features, with the performance, responsiveness and battery life that mobile business multitaskers want. Battery optimization. Express Charge analyzes usage to extend runtime and charge faster when we need a boost in power. Advanced Charge prevents overcharging to extend battery life. Safe, secure and manageable. With Dell Optimizer, optimization, and data collection follow a stringent process to ensure your privacy and security, designed to improve your PC experience continually. With modular installation, easily set up and customize Dell Optimizer features. The Dell Latitude 94402 in 1, 2023, price, $2,219. Thank you for watching our video today. We hope that you found it informative and enjoyable. If you have any questions or comments about the content we presented, please feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. We appreciate your support and look forward to bringing you more quality content in the future. Also, if you found this video helpful, please consider sharing it with your friends and family. It helps us reach a wider audience and spread knowledge and awareness about the topics we cover. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.